In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a marketing team space in Wrike using a template. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account. From your main workspace, navigate to the area or space where your marketing team usually works. You might see it listed in the left-hand navigation as Marketing Team or something similar. Click into that so you're inside the Marketing Team section of your Wrike workspace. Once you're in the Marketing Team area, look toward the top or side of the screen for the option that's highlighted in your interface. This is usually where Wrike shows controls to manage spaces and templates. Go ahead and click on that highlighted control. This will open up the space creation options. In the menu that appears, choose the option to create a space from a template. This is important because instead of building everything from scratch, you'll be using a predefined structure that Wrike has already set up for you. Templates help you save time and keep your workflows consistent across teams and projects. When the template gallery opens, you'll see different categories and options. First, click on the right category to make sure you're looking at the official templates provided within the platform. These are designed to follow best practices and are usually a great starting point. Next, you'll see different solution areas or use cases. Click on Community to browse templates that are grouped under that category. From there, select the option labeled Test. In your own account, this might be a placeholder or example configuration, and it helps narrow down the list of templates to the ones you're focusing on. After that, move into more specific work areas. Click on IT and Engineering to view templates designed for technical and development teams. Even if you're ultimately setting up a marketing space, this step is part of navigating through the available solution sets. Now shift to the marketing-focused options. Click on Marketing Agency to access templates tailored to agency-style work, campaigns, and client projects. Then click on Marketing Team to refine your choice to templates that are optimized for in-house marketing teams and their recurring workflows. You'll notice some templates are labeled as created by Wrike. Click on the one marked by Wrike to open its details. Review the description if you like, and when you're ready, click on Use Template. Wrike will then create a new space based on that template, giving your marketing team a ready-made structure you can start using right away.